Hello from all the staff at Elite Welding Academy, and thanks for checking out our Southpoint, Ohio campus tour video. It couldn't be a more perfect time to pursue a career in welding, so let me show you how you can become an essential worker. Elite Welding Academy specializes in advanced pipe welding. All of our staff are former B31.1 certified pipe welders with decades of experience. Our Southpoint, Ohio campus provides a personal learning experience with job assistance for life. Our practice metal always stays fully stocked with a wide range of materials and filler rods. We also provided the OSHA 10 course for all students so you graduate with your OSHA card. All the tools and gear you'll need for our program, as well for that first day on the job, are included in the cost of tuition. All of our campus locations use the NCCER curriculum, and we specialize in GTAW, also known as TIG welding, SMAW, known as stick welding, GMAW, known as MIG welding, and of course FCAW, flux core MIG welding. So if you've been thinking about trying a career in welding, you owe it to yourself to utilize Elite Welding Academy and what we can offer for your career goals on becoming a certified pipe welder. Thanks for checking out our Southpoint, Ohio campus tour video. If you have any questions about financial aid or enrolling in one of our programs, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our 1-800 number, website, Instagram, and our Facebook will be linked in the description below, and we hope to hear from you soon.